What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be breaking down the best data to pull from PropStream, how you can narrow down your criteria, how you can target specific areas, and you can find specific niche campaigns, guys. You can start building out these campaigns. So, with that being said, guys, I'll see y'all here after this intro. Talk to y'all in a bit.
We're ground zero. We're ground zero. We're ground zero. We're ground zero.
All right, guys, what I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do today is how you can laser target your leads in PropStream, okay? You can build a laser targeted campaign using PropStream. So for you guys that don't know about PropStream, PropStream is a data software that allows you to pull leads, create campaigns, set up marketing campaigns. You actually do some marketing. You can even set up websites. Guys, there's so many things you could do, and you can run comps. So what they just got done coming out with is the list automator. This is pretty dope. Basically, it'll email you every single morning new leads that are submitted to the criteria that you've already created. So once you create it, it's going to consistently feed you new data that basically gets farmed and archived into the campaigns that you already created. So super dope, guys. Not only that, they do weekly webinars. You can click on one of these things to register. So I'm going to show you guys how I like to use this software, okay? So first thing is first, I'm going to click on my market, San Antonio, Texas, right? This is where I'm at, right? Now let me show you guys something. This is super dope. What you can do here, if you click on analytics, this is how I like to find my leads, okay? Now I'm going to go for price growth. What I'm looking for are properties that have gone up in value within the last year. So where it says the little arrow thing right here, I'm gonna click on this. I'm gonna go 1 year back. So 1 year, one solid year of growth, okay? Now, as you can see, the heat map starts popping up. If you're watching this, write this down. Red and sweet is good to eat, and blue will make you vomit. So if you're in an area where there's just nothing but blue highlighting where you're at, bro, your market is declining. That means that property values are losing value, okay? So check this out. Now, obviously here, right, we have a lot of stuff. It's kind of minimalized a little bit, but check this out. If I scroll in, I'm going to see some specific areas that are red. Look at this area right here. 3 years ago, this was popping and this was popping. This is all next to downtown. This is next to the River Center Mall, Hemisphere Park. These are all like historic parts of our city, right? Now, this market here is going up in value. Check this out. Now, I only want to pull data in this one specific part of the map. I'm going to click on this pencil right here. I'm going to click on this side, this side, this side, and we're going to drag it and cover that entire little pocket. Now, after I'm done highlighting the area that I want to market, I'm going to click on search. And immediately, look at this. We have 12 properties in foreclosure. We got 12 that are being auctioned off. 27 of them are bank owned. 164 of them have liens attached to the property, right? Liens is a solid motivation indicator. If you have a lien on your property, there's a likeliness that you owe money to something that just sucks. It's going to decline. It's going to make you more want to sell your house. You know what I'm saying? So moving on, guys, you also have 363 vacant properties. There's 4,923 houses in this one specific area that all have high equity. So let's break this down even further. You see this little thing up top? We're going to click on filter, and here's where you're going to bring up your criteria. I'm going to show you guys what I like to do when I'm building this out, okay? So I pick any for owner occupied, any for occupancy status, property characteristics. We're only going to want to look at the single family. For the classification, we're going to do residential, right? Now, you guys can create however you'd like to do this, but I'm going to do between 2 and 5 bedrooms and between 2 and 4 bathrooms, right? So there's my criteria. It's starting to go down. We have 892 properties so far. Now, year built, we're going to do between 1880. This is mine, by the way. This is because my area is freaking crazy. And 2010. That way I know that some of these houses have a little bit of equity in them, right? So it didn't really change much on the right side where it says unique properties. You see how this number starts going down? It's because I'm narrowing down my criteria, okay? Now on MLS status, I only want the properties that are off market. Over here, guys, where we could do the pre-foreclosure bank owned, we're already going to pull all of this data anyway. It's included at the top with the quick filters, okay? Years of ownership, you can mess with this if you'd like. We want both absentee and in-state, so we're not going to put any preference. Here where it says inter-family transfer, we don't have to worry about that either. Now this is for all the liens. Now we want all of the liens, so you don't want to just go after a specific one. For me, I want them all. The more liens on their property, the more that they're probably willing to sell it, okay? Now valuation and equity info. I want between estimated equity between 50 and 100%. Those are our high equity leads. We're at 617 so far. And boom, guys, check this out. We have residential, single family home, between 2 to 5 bathrooms. Between 2 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 4 bathrooms. Year built is between 1880 and 2010. On the market, no, these are all off-market properties, and they have 50% to 100% equity, and they carry all of these motivation indicators at the top, right? So the unique property setup, you want to click on this here, add to a list, and we're going to call this the SA Texas highly targeted. And once I create this, guys, and I save this to my properties database, I'm going to show you where you can find this data, and you can download it and pull it yourself. Check this out. Guys, this will always now, every single morning when new properties are added to this specific area, I'm going to be able to download those leads, guys. So it's super dope. So here on the side, you have your My Properties. You have your contacts. These are people in your network. You can archive them and put them in your database so you can go back. Guys, let's be real. Rockefeller had the largest Rolodex that's ever been known to man. Your network is your net worth. You can also skip trace. You could build out your campaigns, guys. You could do a million different things with this software. But we're going to go to My Properties, right? So number one, we're going to go to where it says SA Texas. Check it out. I just created it. SA Texas highly targeted. 617 highly motivated, highly targeted leads, guys. You want to export this data and upload it to skipfleet.com so you can go for it and get your skip tracing done. I'll hook you guys up. If you're watching this, just comment below directly. I'm going to send you a promo code that's going to allow for you guys to get the skip tracing done at 13 cents a record, okay? But like I said, guys, once you click this little thing here and you download, it's going to give you all of this information right here into a spreadsheet. So this is how I narrow down my criteria. I use the heat map, I target my stuff, and I archive it into my property list. Once I have it, like right now what it's doing is it's downloading everything, right? I can upload it to a spreadsheet or a Google Doc sheet, submit it for skip tracing, and begin marketing immediately, okay? So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'll talk to y'all soon.
I want the check. I want the check.
Hey guys, if you like this video, go on and head over to my Instagram where I post exclusive content to help you grow your business.